Welcome to my presentation where I'll be taking you through my design process for the Fedrigoni brief. In this presentation, I will show you how I analysed the brief, what research I conducted, the mind mapping, experimentation, conceptualisation, development and prototyping I created before showing you the final outcomes. Analysing. So the challenges for this brief was to create a fully integrated marketing campaign that would appeal to the target audience of publishing houses, fashion labels, and just pristine companies. The campaign had to promote just one of the paper ranges, and for this brief I chose Savile Row paper. The design requirements of the brief was that the packaging had to be black to relate to their current packaging. It also had to showcase the paper itself rather than doing everything digitally. But the brief was very open to what channels I could choose. So when I conducted the research, I firstly had a look at target audiences such as Valentino and Armani. I also looked at Savile Row theme, which is this photo in the corner here. I then looked at Savile Row paper and how they promoted it on their website through these images. And finally I looked at previous campaigns that they had created, which is these two images here. So when mind mapping for the brief, I tried to come up with campaign ideas using play on words to create a slogan. The best one here was "look good on paper," which I rolled with when creating the ideas. So experimentation. This first image shows my initial idea. It was a little bit too similar to what Fedrigoni had already used, so I tried mixing it up with the concept of luxury and created this idea here, which from my annotations you can see would be foiled in gold and would act as an envelope. And then finally, in this image here, I experimented with humour. This is seen through the slogan, but also through the suit motif in the mandala. Conceptualisation. Here I outlined the campaign idea, mind mapping parts of the campaign that I would use, such as an event, like an exhibition, a leaflet for direct mail and also like magazine advert, social media posts, which would be a digital platform that would keep the brand current. And then I just did some notes on Savile Row because they're an elegant brand. It's cardboard paper and uses 40% textiles. This gave me the idea of commissioning an artist to make a sculpture out of Savile Row paper for the exhibition. That way it showcases the paper and the multi-functional use. So when I developed the idea, I firstly started with this main mandala design, as this it communicated the Savile Row theme through the suit motifs, but also luxury. And then on the right I have shown the leaflet / invitation design that would be sent directly to the target audience. And then I developed a magazine article using the same main design element and the same slogan, and also a social media advert. After developing, I prototyped the leaflet invitation. From this prototype I found that the mandala was too intricate to die cut, so instead I've decided to use the finishing technique of foiling And these are the final outcomes. So that's the envelope sleeve with the foiled mandala motif, with the leaflet and invitation inside the sleeve. And then the magazine article that uses the same mandala, and a little about the Savile Row paper, saying that it's elegant, functional, and technologically advanced. And then finally, the social media post that would promote the Savile Row paper range, but also the event, the exhibition that the target audience are being invited to. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.